Hey, my people. Odunlade Adekola wife don't cry, come outside, say, Eniola Ajao, leave my husband for me when we dey suffer together, you know they there. Eniola Ajao, go look for your own husband, my people. Hi guys, welcome back to another odd gist, guys. How you guys doing? If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video, guys. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you will not miss any updates about the celebrities. And don't also forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, let's get into the video, guys. Those of you when I don't know Odunlade Adekola. Odunlade Adekola na Yoruba actor wey be say the act Yoruba movie. I dey gbadun a movie well the way it dey act. And those of you when I don't know Eniola Ajao. Eniola Ajao na Yoruba actress wey be say Odunlade Adekola na im boss na e be. So my people, Odunlade Adekola get wife, but his wife no dey for social media because you know what, me his wife dey social media, make they see a lot of things wey be say they happen. You just keep your wife away from social media. And if Odunlade Adekola they do birthday, maybe get wetin they do. Eniola Ajao they go carry people, they go surprise Odunlade Adekola for his house. Where be say they go surprise them. So recently, 2 days ago, Eniola Ajao celebrate her own birthday. So Odunlade Adekola can't do the same thing. Can't go surprise Eniola Ajao for house. So news can reach our side say Eniola Ajao and Odunlade Adekola they date, say they in a relationship together. And the wife of Odunlade Adekola no know, because Odunlade Adekola no let his wife dey for social media. He no let his wife dey for social media. They start say all this wole word dey wey be say Odunlade Adekola and Eniola Ajao they do, say no be ordinary or no be because it be boss to boss. Whether na Odunlade Adekola go fair teach Eniola Ajao work, wey na him go fair be boss, wey be say their wole they can't just many like that, wey be say they are two like this, the way that they celebrate each other, they hang around together. And inside movie, now husband and wife that they always do together for inside movie. Say go get wetin they play. Say how person wey get wife for us, you go just get up. Say one go surprise Eniola Ajao. But me, for my mind, me I feel say normal. If woman, your boss, maybe the way Eniola Ajao dey now, she dey always like to surprise Odunlade Adekola. Odunlade Adekola, if you see say this person wey be say every time they always like to celebrate me. Now normal, if Odunlade Adekola get up, say okay, this lady they always celebrate me back to back. And today I want celebrate Eniola Ajao. Nothing bad. But people thought say if they date Eniola Ajao, so they never see Eniola Ajao with another man. Now only with Odunlade Adekola, and no be only Eniola Ajao, no be Odunlade Adekola teach work, wey be say he been boss. Another one they will be toasting. And the way Odunlade they do to Eniola Ajao, you know they do want to toast like that. Say why be saying like that? Now be say something they play between Eniola Ajao, and Odunlade Adekola. Say that they friend, and the woman no know, because the woman self, they say Odunlade Adekola no they let the woman they come outside. The woman no dey social media, and the woman no dey connect with other actress like that. We be say that they for Yoruba movie, we be say that go fit still tell them, and you know the social media we go even see what they write about her husband and this Eniola, because he don't say we be say that cause Eniola Ajao they go out with Eniola with Odunlade, say he gets something we be say that they in relationship. And if Odunlade shoot movie, we be say he produce one movie, he must put Eniola inside the movie. If Eniola also produce one movie, he must put Odunlade inside the movie. They must be husband and wife inside the movie. So people they say that they date. Say me Eniola Ajao go find her own husband, make you no break that marriage. Say because the woman don't deal with Odunlade for a long time. And if Eniola Ajao fit dey date Odunlade na very bad something, because the woman trusts her husband. She not there for social media to dey see all these things. A lot of people they bash Eniola Ajao, say make he go find his own man, make he leave Odunlade Adekola alone. At least make he leave her alone, make he go find his own husband. Say they never see am with any man, make he even post one or anybody. And if he even get movie where he produce now, now Odunlade na him dey be his husband for inside that movie. The way me take dey see am, he can't dey confused somehow, because for one side I dey feel say that they date, while the other side I dey feel say they no dey date. But wetin me know be say Eniola Ajao dey like to always celebrate Odunlade Adekola, and he dey very, very respectful to Odunlade Adekola. And definitely, if Eniola Ajao dey celebrate birthday, na normal make Odunlade go celebrate am too. Nothing bad when we say if Eniola Ajao dey celebrate, me Odunlade get up, wake up, go in house, carry people go surprise am. And na normal if Odunlade say he won't go surprise Eniola Ajao, because Eniola Ajao they do the same thing to Ram. And people they always talk say Odunlade they lie sometimes, go lie for a while, saying they go location, won't go shoot movies. Sometimes they go down true for there. He go Eniola Ajao has go sleep, go dey stay there for a few days before he go come go meet his wife. Why? Sometimes he go say they go location, no go even go at all. He go meet Eniola Ajao for us. Now there he go just stay, go just sleep for there. A lot of people will be saying that they bring the picture out, and not be only today. Now this matter don't dey grant. It don't say. So my people, let me know what you think for the comment section. I go like to end the video for here. If you never subscribe, subscribe so that I no go miss any celebrity gist wey I dey upload. Bye bye till I come on our way next time. Bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.